a picture of snow. Maya, look at that one. Maya, what that one? Maya, what that one? Maya, what that one? Maya, what that one? Maya, what this one? Maya, what that 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 one?
Show the down lines here that we have to drive over. Yeah, people were driving under. See all that mess? Yeah, we're just driving on power lines here. Hopefully no back feeding.
Maya, what that one? Maya, take a picture.
Here's a down line.
Maya,
This is where we turn.
what that one?
This is, I think, the only way out.
Maya, what that one? Maya, what that one? That one.
When mommy's done, you can have it.
Maya, take a picture.
The down lines here.
What was that?
This is snow.
Can we get under that tree
Yeah, I did last night.
with this car?
I just hope the climax is clean. Oh man.
A big tree.
That is a big
Yeah,
tree.
hanging
We
on
have
the
to
power
try
lines.
to drive under it.
Let's go under.
Mm-hmm.
Maya, take a picture.
Once mommy's done, I said. So take a shot down this way. This is Wheeler that's completely impassable there.
Oh, we got trucks. There's utility trucks down there.
That's a good sign.
You go forward a little bit.
Yeah.
Maya, take a picture. Maya, take a picture.
Oh my gosh. Really? This is insane.
And here's the power.
Oh
That's
my
power.
gosh.
Huh?
This is just ridiculous.
Yeah, resting on the power lines.
And we are stupid enough to drive under this.
Oh, there's no other way to get out.
Wow.
Look at this one resting on the power lines.
And we're going
And
over
driving
power
over power
lines
lines.
again.
This is not good.
Good thing they got all their trees down before this
Yeah.
happened.
And no damage.
Maya, take a picture.
We're good. I think it's a road closed sign maybe.
Oh, did they close up here to keep
Yeah.
people from coming in?
Maya, take a picture. Maya, take a picture. Maya, take a picture. Maya, take a picture.
This is
Maya,
ridiculous.
take a picture.
Yeah, people
Oh,
don't
we don't
observe
even
the
have
four-way. I know people are not observing the four-way stop.
He's letting us go. I think we're good. Thank you. There's a big tree cutting thing.
Yeah, they're busy.
Okay, we got onto the main road.